The OnePlus 150R is shaping up to be one of the most talked about phones of the year, and there's a good reason for that. While the global launch is still a few days away, China has already received the phone under a different name, the OnePlus Ace 6T. And this early launch has revealed almost everything we need to know about what OnePlus is preparing for the global market. Let's start with the headline feature. If you thought the OnePlus 15 7th 300 mAh battery was impressive, the 150R is going even bigger. The Ace 6T, which is expected to become the 150R globally, packs a massive 8300 silicon carbon battery. This is one of the biggest batteries we've ever seen in a phone of this category. According to OnePlus, this battery can deliver 13.5 hours of navigation, around 10 hours of gaming, or nearly 30 hours of video streaming. That's the kind of stamina that makes you stop worrying about battery percentage entirely. Charging also stays extremely fast. The phone supports 100 mAh wired charging, taking you from 1% to 50% in just 23 minutes. That means even a short break is enough to get half your battery back. And if you prefer PPS charging, the phone supports up to 75W through that protocol as well. OnePlus didn't reveal the exact time needed to reach 100%, but with numbers like these, full charges should still be very quick. Now let's talk power. The OnePlus Ace 6T comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, the latest flagship-level chip from Qualcomm. So even though the phone is positioned as a sub-flagship, the performance is absolutely top-tier. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or pushing demanding apps, the 150R should be able to handle everything smoothly. The display is another major highlight. The phone features a 165Hz OLED screen with a resolution of 2800 by 1272. This high refresh rate means animations and gaming feel incredibly smooth. The screen also reaches a global peak brightness of 1,800 nits, making it easy to use even under strong sunlight. OnePlus is also using crystal shield glass to offer better durability and scratch resistance. When it comes to durability, the phone doesn't hold back. It comes with IP68, IP69, and even IP69K ratings. That means it's protected against dust, water, and high-pressure sprays. This is one of the highest levels of durability we've seen on a OnePlus phone. However, the camera department is where OnePlus keeps things simple. The phone features a 50-megapixel main camera with an f1.8 aperture and a 41.6-inch sensor, paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. So if you're looking for a phone with strong telephoto or periscope zoom, this isn't the model for that. Still, the phone supports 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, which is great for smooth video. The front camera is a 16-megapixel shooter, good enough for clean selfies and video calls. Other features include Bluetooth 6.0, Wi-Fi 7, an IR blaster for controlling home appliances, and an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. The phone also ships with ColorOS 16 in China, and the global model will naturally come with Oxygen OS, but the core features should remain similar. As for pricing, the OnePlus Ace 6T starts at 2,599 yuan in China, which is around 368 for the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. There's also a promo price of 2,399 yuan, or roughly 340. The phone comes in black, green, and purple. The black and green versions get a glass back, while the purple variant uses a fiberglass material that gives it a different texture. The exciting part is that you won't have to wait long. OnePlus is holding its global launch event on December 17, and that's when the OnePlus 150R will officially arrive. We might see a few tweaks compared to the Chinese model, but the hope is that the massive 8300 mAh battery remains untouched. The OnePlus 150R looks like a powerful, long-lasting phone with serious performance and an insane battery. If the global model keeps these specs, it could easily become one of the best value phones of the year.